Hey everyone, I have an update from Friday with the shutdown RIFs I think everybody needs to hear. I did cover this on Saturday, but wanted to make sure this is covered for those who just check us Monday through Friday. So Judge Susan Illston just expanded and clarified the court order pausing shutdown-based RIFs, and it now shields even more federal employees. Here's the headline: the TRO doesn't just cover AFGE and AFSCME anymore. It now clearly protects employees represented by NFFE, SEIU, and NAGE too. And the judge made one point unmistakable: if you are an individual member of one of these plaintiffs' unions at a defendant agencies, you can't be RIF'd during the shutdown, even if your agency claims it stopped recognizing your bargaining unit under that March executive order. The court said it was the wrong read. If you're a member, you're covered. Agencies tried to narrow it. HHS told the court it thought the TRO didn't reach employees from units it said it derecognized. The judge said in plain English, that's not how this works. Members are protected. And over at Interior, the department said it plans to imminently abolish positions in 68 competitive areas and argued those cuts were in works before the shutdown, so the TRO shouldn't apply. The judge disagreed. Her message: no RIFs of the protected folks during the shutdown. Accountability, it looks, is coming. The court ordered agencies to deliver shortly an updated headcount, how many employees they intended to remove during the shutdown, and how many of those are shielded by the clarified order. DOJ said it's a heavy lift in a shutdown. The judge's response is the burden exists because the government chose this path. So what should you do right now? Well, if you're AFGE, AFSCME, NFFE, SEIU, or NAGE, save every communication about RIFs, emails, letters, envelopes, screenshots. If you're told your unit isn't recognized, so you're not protected, write down who said it and when. That might be helpful information. Do not work on RIF processing during the shutdown. The order bars it. Please mark your deadlines anyway and loop in your union and counsel with what you received. If you're at Interior, what are you seeing in those competitive areas? If anything shifts, we'll break it down so you know exactly where we're at. A few other things to cover. NTEU appears to have a separate strategy, not concerning to me at this time, but not covered by this. And then there is some question of how to deal with a RIF where someone was a covered bargaining unit, but maybe not everybody is. And so I think the strongest thing right now is if one bargaining unit was in the competitive area, that RIF is likely on hold, but we're probably going to see development of those areas as well. Thank you everybody for your support. Take care and have a great day.